Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Wallpaper chooser. Long press an empty area on the home screen and tap Wallpaper, or go to Settings, Display Wallpaper. Once in the picker, select your source, built-in wallpapers, a downloaded image, or Google Photos. Make sure the image you want is already saved on the device if choosing a photo. This step gets you directly into the editor, so you can crop and assign the image without navigating through extra menus. Now pick the image and enter the cropper. Use pinch to zoom and drag to position the focal point. The editor shows the visible area for home and lock screens. Once the framing looks right, choose whether to apply the image to the home screen, lock screen, or both. Make sure to preview each option because aspect ratios differ. 16:9 will behave differently than standard phone ratios. Tap Set or Apply to commit the change. Then wait a second while the system. After applying, go back to your home screen and inspect alignment, widgets, and legibility of icons. If the image looks blurry or pixelated, choose a higher resolution picture or recrop using less zoom. The phone scales low-res images poorly. If the wallpaper didn't update, clear the launcher or Photos cache in Settings apps, or simply restart the Moto Edge 60 Fusion. That usually resolves permission or cache hiccups and forces the new wallpaper to display correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.